but just for you guys, I have come out in the rain to shoot this beautiful waterfall.
We live only once, and I believe in living my life to the fullest on my own terms. Welcome to my vlog. A very good afternoon, everybody, all the way from Zurich, Switzerland. Just arrived here, reached my hotel, and quickly changing, freshening up, and all the way to this beautiful place. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Prachi from Zurich. Like I told you in my earlier Zurich episode that I would be traveling to Zurich again to show you the longest waterfall in Europe, that is RHEINFALL. So let's get going. Our train station is just opposite the hotel and it's gonna arrive soon. We have taken return ticket and it's a very gloomy weather as you can see it. So we have arrived at the main train station. Let's get the tickets. So guys, we were a bit lost and as you can see nothing was in English, and our ticket, the person who gave us the ticket never explained to us properly where to get down and which platform to take. Thanks to one local gentleman, he told us, he explained rather which platform to go to and which train to take to. So our train will come after this train and then finally we would be able to go to RHEINFALL. What a stress. Finally we got into our train. I almost finished my croissant. So it's a 40-45 minutes journey. It's 5:15. As you guys saw, it's very gloomy outside. I don't know by the time we reach. Hopefully it will not rain so much. So let's see. I'll try my best to show you guys around whatever I have. I'll be able to explore. So stay connected. Guys, the train, this section of the train is kind of empty. And we are not complaining. It's fine. Guys, that's the waterfall. We have reached our station and it's raining heavily. And guys, we just reached our station and look, that's the waterfall behind me. Well, I believe in making the most of my stay anywhere in the country. Here it is, RHEINFALL, and this is not my first time but vlogging here for the first time. Guys, literally I and my colleague, we are standing under the shade of a tree. It's raining cats and dogs. I hope you can hear my voice. But we are still happy somehow because the view of this waterfall is just so amazing. You see the water? Oh my god. So now let me show you the view of the longest waterfall in Europe, which is this RHEINFALL in Zurich. Have a look guys. And there it is. Look at this beauty. So in this rain, we walked all the way from there, the train station there, and we reached here. These are the details written in the local language. And here I'm taking you to the edge. I deliberately didn't color edit this episode because I really want us to enjoy the natural color of the nature as it is. And this is so beautiful.
Just have a look. But just for you guys, I have come out in the rain to shoot this beautiful, beautiful waterfall. So please, I hope you really like this video. Do like the video, share, comment and press the bell icon guys, ताकि आपको ऐसे interesting videos और मिलते रहे. Oh my god, but I'm enjoying actually getting drenched in the rain. Now we are trying to walk ahead as much as we can and to find a restaurant at least so that we can sit there, have our dinner before we push off to the hotel. But we would remember this trip forever, for a long time to come.
Want me to come
Yeah,
and meet you?
of course.
Oh,
That's my friend Tatiana.
And I came only because of her.
True.
And now you see
I influenced her. Let's go to the waterfall.
the best trip ever. The
Ever.
best.
And how much did we spend on the train? Oh god.
Oh my god, don't say it. Everyone will be so disappointed.
Okay. I'm not going to discuss that, guys. Okay guys, see you in a while. Let us find some place to sit and then I'll get back to you guys.
A few moments later.
Now we just found this shade next to the elevator. There's a train station on the top. We'll wait here till the rain gets little smooth. Even if it starts drizzling, we'll look for a restaurant nearby and then we'll go. Trust me guys, this was just one of its own kind of experience for me and my friend Tatiana also. Oh my god, rain and walking without umbrella, but we saw what we wanted to see and showed you also. So I really hope you like this beautiful waterfall.
Very beautiful waterfall. If it's not rain, it would be even better.
So guys, we just crossed the train station where we were stranded and we found this restaurant just opposite. So that's the restaurant. Oh, that looks nice. Tatiana, let's have a look inside what's there, right? And then we
Yeah.
can decide if we want
Yeah.
to sit and eat. Okay, let's go.
Here it's mostly about snack, beer, and coffee. And I think they can make pizza or some sandwich.
Oh, okay.
I think it's for sandwich or pizza. I don't know.
Right, right. See guys, it's 6:50 in the evening. So that's the menu guys. We have asked the attendant to help us with the English version and she will assist us soon.
But I think it's closed.
This one? Yeah, Italian bar. It seems closed. Let's check this Italian bar. Uh-oh, it's closed guys. So guys, we just walk around the hotel, this restaurant rather, to find some nice restaurant, but we could not find and most of the restaurants are closed it seems. I do hear a church bell though. And we didn't like the food so much in that restaurant. So I think now we have decided to go back to our hotel and eat there. So see you later.
Are they crazy? Why are they on the rain? Italian restaurant.
Let's have a look inside. Somebody should be there. I see umbrellas on the floor.
So you want to take umbrella?
Guys, mission successful. Finally, we found this Italian restaurant. Thanks to Tatiana who located this restaurant. And now we will sit and eat here finally. Okay. Oh. You can, thank you.
So you can try first. It's okay.
Okay. Swirl. And then smell. I like it already. And then sip. I like it. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Okay.
It's very nice.
I like it already. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Prachi, how is the wine?
Wine is really good. This is Italian Salentino. Very, very nice wine.
Wow,
Yay,
nice.
cheers.
Our pasta is coming, by the way.
Yeah.
And look at our table already. Almost set up.
It's a nice restaurant. Show them outside. It's like a nice patio.
Yeah, if it's not rainy, we would sit outside. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, Prachi, are you happy?
Very, very happy.
Very,
Waiting for
very,
the
very,
food.
very, very happy.
Very happy. Cheers to the beautiful time in Zurich. So guys, क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा हो चुका है? Have you ever also fallen into a situation like this that you were not prepared for a rain or for a storm and then you got stuck but you still wanted to explore and enjoy? Do let me know in the comment section. Guys, the food is here. Thank you so much. Stuti. Thank you. That's spaghetti aglio olio for me, and that's spaghetti carbonara for Tatiana. So guys, we'll see you after our dinner. We are very hungry, so we really need to eat nicely and satisfactorily. See you in a bit.
2,000 years later.
And guys, our plates are super clean, as you can see. So guys, we had our dinner. The wine was lovely and everything was so wonderful, so great. And now we are going back to our hotel. We would take a bus to the airport and then from airport the other train to the hotel. So I thought let me end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this episode of us getting drenched in the rain and passing by the RHEINFALL. And Tatiana also wants to say bye to all of you.
Bye.
So guys, stay tuned for more exciting videos like this. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you next time again with another episode. Until then, bye-bye and take care. Good morning everyone. And I did rest very well. ठंड तो लग चुकी है मुझे, जैसे आपको मेरी आवाज़ से समझ में आ रहा होगा. And I have to get ready. So after my coffee, I'll head to the gym and I'm thinking to order some food as well before I reach the airport. Hello. Yes, I called. The call got disconnected. Yes. Pizza margarita. Room number, you know, right? 912. Thank you.